Let's face it, who hasn't been annoyed when workers shut down a lane of traffic? Well, you might be more patient.
Ready to roll.
If you knew what they're up to.
We're doing a good thing here by making sure that these stormwater pipes don't fail.
Public Works spokesperson Paul Berry explains this stormwater division crew, with the help of a roving camera, is heading underground.
Going forward.
You're looking inside a drainage pipe that runs below Alamo Ranch Parkway.
250 feet.
It's made of corrugated metal, a material the city's now banned from being used underneath roads.
Over time, it begins to disintegrate because water stands in there and then the bottom fails or more of the pipe fails.
Coming to a junction box.
But 48 miles of corrugated metal pipe are still running through San Antonio. Barry says about half of it is in danger of failing.
We're finding the corrugated metal pipe that is failing mainly inside of Loop 410, and that's because when that pipe was put in 50, 60, 70 years ago, that's where San Antonio was.
This is an example of what they are watching out for, a pipe that is breaking apart and rusted to the point of failure. If the crews here didn't take action, this type of pipe could cause drainage problems for the neighborhood and even sinkholes in the road.
For the most part, looking at the bottom of it.
If a pipe's in good shape, crews keep an eye on it. If it looks like it's failing, they reinforce it with concrete.
We are going in and we are spraying concrete on the inside of these failed pipes. And that concrete adheres to the walls, and then that pipe is now good for at least another 50 years, if not even longer.
$2 million are set aside in this year's city budget to rehabilitate corrugated metal pipes.
If it's dry, that means it's doing its job. It's flowing the way it's supposed to flow.
As you can see, this pipe withstood recent rain.
They did a really good job on this one.
So the team packs up and reopens traffic with peace of mind. The pipe underneath is standing strong. I'm News 4 troubleshooter Emily Balkin.